So there are three ways, actually there are more than three ways, of getting the lead in front of the target. We call this lead, forward allowance, and the idea is to put the lead into the space where the clay is going to fly into and it's going to break. There are three basic methods, and there's a few other more complex methods, of generating lead. If you've been shooting for some time, you've probably heard of them. One is pull through, sometimes called come from behind. Another one is pull away, and another one is maintained lead. I'll describe each of these in turn, and then we'll actually shoot a target using each of the different techniques. Okay, so let's talk about pull through. If you're a hunter, this is most likely the technique that you're used to. With pull through, you come from behind the target and accelerate past it. Something like this. You start from behind the target, accelerate past it, and as the gun passes the target, you pull the trigger. That's pull through. Next method that we're going to talk about is pull away. Pull away is exactly what it sounds like. You're pointing at the target, tracking it through the sky, then you pull away from the target, and as you pull away, you pull the trigger. That's what generates the lead for the target. And then finally, the other basic method is known as maintained lead. And there you actually start out with the gun in front of the target, and as it goes through the air, you check the lead that you've got, fire, and the target breaks. That's what maintained lead is. So I'm going to shoot this target using pull through, pull away, and maintained lead in that order. This particular target is a crosser. It comes from low on the left, goes across the opening, shows a lot of dome, and it falls away on the other side of the opening. First off, we're going to do pull through. Trapper ready?
Trapper ready.
Pull. Pull. So that's the pull-through technique. You come from behind and go past it. Now we're going to do the pull-away technique. So I'm going to point at the target and pull away. I'm going to accelerate away from the target. Trapper ready?
Trapper ready.
Pull. Pull. Okay, and the final method that I'm going to use is maintained lead. I'm going to start out in front of the target, and when the lead is right, I'll pull the trigger. Trapper ready?
Trapper ready.
Pull. Pull. So those are the three basic techniques that we use in clay shooting. You may have one of them already mastered and you're ready to move on to the next one, or you may be deciding which one of the three you're going to learn. Once you've mastered one, you should go on to the next one and the next one, because different targets in different circumstances are more easily shot with a different technique. If you've only got one of those techniques available to you, you will be at a disadvantage until you've learned one of the other techniques.